Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay, so far we have studied the Mohenjo-daro civilization, Harappan civilization, Dholavira, then Mauryan art, Lothal as an important port, pillar inscription, pillar at Sarnath, stone inscription, okay, caves of Gujarat. Now we are going to learn about chariot temple. Okay, very interesting. Okay, and this will ask for the section A also, and you will gain a lots of knowledge also, students. Now chariot temples. I am explaining line to line, students. Whenever I am telling you, this will ask in the section A, that you have to mark it down, because in the social science, reading each and every line, that is most important. Okay, a unique feature of Pallav age can be seen in the famous chariot temple of South India. Chariot temple means temple Rath. Rath jaisa temple, students, which is carved out from a single rock. And now you underline Kailashnath temple at Kanchi. Kailashnath temple. They carved out from the rock. एक रॉक से बना हुआ है. कैलाशनाथ टेम्पल ऑफ कांची and temple of Vaikunth Permeal are the best example of architectural art. Apart from above, mandapas at Mahabalipuram and chariot temple of Mahabalipuram are also world famous. Each one of them is rock cut temple, okay, made up of the rock cut temple. These chariot temples are named after the Pandavas. Chariot temple of Dharamraja is the biggest one, and the chariot temple of the Draupadi is the smallest one. So students, this paragraph you have to go through for the MCQ only. Kailashnath temple of Kanchi and temple of Vaikunth Permeal are the best example. Mandapas at Mahabalipuram and chariot temple of Mahabalipuram world famous. Dharamraja's temple, that is biggest one, and Draupadi's temple, that is the smallest one, that you have to remember. Now temple architecture. In the field of the temple architecture, many temples are seen with a high pedestal. Pedestals means what? आधार पे. Okay, आधार जिस पे स्तंभ या मूर्ति खड़ी की जाती है, that considered as pedestal. आधार. And pinnacle मतलब शिखर, top level with the stairs. But some of are very flat with a pradakshina path. You know na student, pradakshina means what? Encircling the garbhagriha. Everyone, we are also taking pradakshina path. Okay, garbhagriha. The Bhumrao temple near the Jabalpur, this will you have to remember for the MCQ section A. Bhumara Shiv temple near Jabalpur. Temples of Larkhan in Bijapur district. Copper statue of Lord Buddha in Nalanda, and Jain temples of Mathura are unique specimens of architecture and sculpture. There is a greater contribution of Pallava kings. Temple constructed in Kanchi, the capital cities of Pallavas, are very famous. Now students, you underline Tanjavur was the capital of Chola dynasty, and the great Brudeshwar temple, that you have to remember. The first temple constructed by Raj Raja of Chola dynasty, that you have to remember, situated in Tanjavur, constructed by Raj Raja of Chola dynasty. Which temple, students? Brideshwar temple. It is about 200 meters high, and it is an extraordinary temple of the ancient India. So students, we have learned about the chariot temples, Rath temple, Kailashnath temple, Mandapas of Mahabalipuram, Vaikuntha temple, Bhumrao Shiv temple. These different temples, this you have to learn for the section A MCQ. Now students, architecture of Gopuram. This will ask in the section A for 1 mark, students. So that you have to remember. That you can see in the picture also, that given below. Gopuram means what, students? Entrance. Entrance of the temple, that considered as Gopuram. The construction of the temple gained momentum due to the encouragement of the Pandya rulers of South India. They built high outer walls and beautifully decorated gates outside the temple. The Pandya rulers, they built high outer walls and beautifully decorated gates outside their temple. The gates of this temple that known as Gopuram. Followed, students? Okay, the gates of these temples known as what? Gopuram. The artistic glory of Gopuram has been more popular than its temples. Gopuram of Kanchi and Madurai gives an aesthetic pleasure even today when we view from the distance. So Gopuram is nothing but the entrance of the temple. Clear? The gates of this temple are known as the Gopuram. Now student, the Sun Temple of Konark in Odisha. This will ask in section A, which is one of the forms of chariot temple, the temple. Brideshwar temple of Tanjavur has 13 stored Gopuram. Metallic stone idols of this age have special characteristic features. Bronze statue of Nataraj is a best example of idol sculpting of that time. Chola temples have their own splendor, glory in the age in the field of the art and architecture. Students, from this you have to learn the MCQ section A. Meenakshi temple. Meenakshi temple, one of the huge temple of India in the Madurai, spread in the vast area. Okay, so you have Meenakshi temple in Madurai. It has 4 main Gopurams. From which architecture point of view, it is a wonderful temple. In the medieval period, Khajuraho was the capital of the Chandela rulers of Bundelkhand. So this ruler built beautiful temple at Khajuraho. So this temple situated in Madhya Pradesh, student. Khajuraho temple situated in Madhya Pradesh, you have to remember. The style of pinnacle means shikhar, varies from others. So Khajuraho temple are the finished example. Now Jain temple, matlab Derasar, students. Jain temple are found at various places of Gujarat. India, sorry. And you know where in Gujarat Jain temples we found. Okay. Vaibhar at Rajgruha, Vipulachal, Ratnagiri, Udayagiri and Shramgiri are the 5 Jain temples. There is a Siddhakshetra pilgrim in Samet Shikharji. Bihar is known as Madhuban. Adinath Bhagwan and 20 Tirthankar attain Nirvan. Adinath Bhagwan and 20 Tirthankar attain Nirvan. There are temples of Abhinandan Nathji and Parshvanathji. Temples of Abhinandan Nathji and Parshvanathji. Bhagwan Mahavir reach here. Many sages attain salvation, means moksha. There is a Jain temple in Palitana also, students, that you have visited also. Sankheshwar temple at Panchasarai in Gujarat. Now Jain temple of Delwara, situated in Mount Abu, and Ranakpur in Rajasthan are excellent and wonderful form of construction, carving, artistic skill, sculpture point of view. Which temple? Jain temple of Mount Abu and Ranakpur in the Rajasthan. Especially Delwara temple of Abu, which have been constructed by Minister Vimal Shah. That you have to remember for your MCQ student. Okay, Delwara temple of Abu that constructed by Minister Vimal Shah are Vimal Vasahi. Other minister Vastupal constructed Luna Vasahi are the excellent example of sculpture. These are constructed with a white marble and minute carvings are there in the white marble. They are famous in India as well as in abroad because of their attractive, minute, artistic work of sculpture. Very minute carving, delicate carving. These temples are wonderful and memorable gifts of Jain religion to the Indian culture. Jain temples are worldwide famous due to their art of sculpture and architecture. So, students, you have to Jain temple of Mount Abu, Delwara Jain temple, that will ask for 2 marks, that you have to prepare, students. Now students, Sun Temple of Modhera, this is very important question. Explain it for 2 marks, so that you have to prepare it. This whole paragraph you have to learn it for 2 marks. Okay. Modhera Temple in Gujarat, situated in Mehsana district, that also will ask in the section A, students. Built in 1026 means 1026 AD during the reign of Solanki king Bhimdev I. Okay, what is the peculiarity of this temple? In this temple, a gem was studied in the middle of the crown of the sun god. The entrance gate of the eastern sides of this temple is constructed in such a way that the first ray of sun ray that falls directly on the gem, because of it the entire sectum matlab holy place, entire sectum is lit up, matlab praktana means just light up, and creating divine atmosphere. 12 different images of sun god erotic sculptures are seen in this temple. How many images? 12 different images. And the carving of this temple is done in the Iranian school of art. That also you have to remember. This will ask in MCQ. Iranian school of art. There are 108 small temples. 108 small temples surrounding the outside tank, which create a pleasant sight at the dusk and the dawn. Okay, Shubha or Sham. Students, you have to remember, you have to learn this for 2 marks. Okay, now medieval architecture. Here this medieval architecture you have to learn for the section A. The architecture of mosque, minarets, royal palaces, bridge and inns, etc. are seen in the medieval age. Qutb bin Aibak, MCQ, build Qutub Minar, you know that. Qutbul Islam Mosque. Similar mosque name Dhai Din Ka Jhopra was built by Qutb bin Aibak in Ajmer. So this will ask in the MCQ, that you have to do it, student. In the Bengal, Adina Mosque of Pond regions of the Bengal, Adina Mosque of Pandua regions of Bengal, Tomb of Jalal ud Muhammad Shah, and Tantipara Mosque were constructed. These regions developed its own style, specific style in the field of architecture. Now Jaunpur. Sultan of Turkey built a Atala Mosque. There is an artistic grill around the dome. The walls and the ceiling are decorated with many Indian designs, including lotus. So this you have to learn for the MCQ. Now Malwa, peculiar style of a Mandu building is seen under the protection of sultans. Many such tombs have been created over there. Many such tombs have been created over here. The huge and impressive domes carving on the balcony in this structure are very attractive. So in the Malwa region, the tomb of Hosang Shah is completely made of marble in the Indian style. Other provinces. Beside these, the ruler of Kashmir, Bahmani built dome of Bijapur, building of Bidar, Gulbagrani and Madrasa of Muhammad Gawa, temples of Hampi Vithala Swami, Hajar Rama, Gopuram, artistic pillars very well known of the Vijayanagar Empire. Now architecture of Gujarat. Sculpture, architecture of Gujarat include temple of various religion, mosque, vihars of Buddha religion, mutt, stupa, chaitya, cave temples, Jain temples. Beside this, different types of building construction useful for the society like palaces, forts, domes, gate, kirti stambh, इन मतलब सेंचुरी, उपाश्रय, विशामास, वरंदा, स्काईलाइट मतलब झरोखो, वॉच टावर, आर्चिस, वेल, स्टेप वेल्स, लेक, ponds, figures of animals, birds are the most beautiful, magnificent structures of Gujarat that you have already learned in a Gujarat cultural heritage of Gujarat. This is just repetition. Now, temple. In the religious field, temples of different religions have been built in Gujarat. So, different temples that built in Gujarat. They are Bhadrakali temple, some of the temple you know also student. Bhadrakali temple, Gita Mandir, Veda temple, Jagannath temple of Jamalpur, Ranchodrai temple of Dakot, Sun temple of Modera, Hatkeshwar Mahadev temple of Vadnagar, Ambaji temple of Banaskata, Shamlaji temple, Somnath temple, Jagat temple of Dwarka, Baujraji temple of Mehsana, Mahakali temple of Pavagadh, Swaminarayan temples, Brahmaji temple of Khed Brahma, Khodiyar Mataji temple of Bhavnagar, Madh of Ashapura, Kutch. Students, you know very well this. All the temple architecture of Gujarat. Now mosque also. That also you know student. Jama Masjid near the Teen Darwaja in Ahmedabad. Students, you know this. Jama Masjid. Okay. In Ahmedabad. Sultan Ahmad Shah built this mosque in 1424 AD. Who built? Sultan Ahmad Shah. And after the name of Ahmedabad, the Ahmedabad name. It has 260 pillars and 15 domes. Other structure included Siddhi Sayyad grill, which minute carving, Rosa of Sarkhej, shaking towers, Julta Minara, Mosque of King Sipri, which is also known as Mosque of Nagina, Jama Masjid at Champane. There are many such mosques in the big cities of the Gujarat. Jain temples. Jain temple of Hathisi, Kumbhariyaji, Sankheshwar, Siddhagiri, Shatrunjayagiri, Palitana are the quite unique, well-known example of the sculpture, architecture, carving point of view. And you know very well Jain temple of Hathisi. Okay, Kumbhariyaji, I don't know, Sankheshwar and Hathisi temple you know students. Now stepwell of Gujarat that you have already studied in chapter number 1. Stepwell of Adalaj, stepwell of Dada Hari, Harini Vav, Ahmedabad, Ranini stepwell of Patan, stepwell of Daboi are the very splendid example of stepwell construction. Apart from this, there are best specimen in the field of architecture, Fort of Bhadra, Teen Darwaja, Fort matlab Killa student, Nagina Wadi, and students you know this, Kakariya Lake, Ahmedabad, Rudra Mahal you know in Sidhpur, Sahasra Silang that is in Patan, Chori of Shamlaji, Samadhi of Tanariri, Kirti Toran, Vadnagar, Munsar Lake, Viramgaon, Malav Lake, Dholka. This art adds to the dignity and the glory of Gujarat. Today, Gujarat shines like a star in the world map because of its art of sculpture, architecture and carving. Students, you have already studied this. Explain the cultural heritage of Gujarat. These all things that included. Now student textual exercise. Explain town planning of ancient India. Students, this question will ask for 3 marks and this answer lies on the page number 18 students. So here ancient town planning. Ancient town planning 3 divided into 3 sections: fort of rulers, houses of administrative officers situated on the upper part of the town, residence of the common people situated on the lower part of the town. Give detailed information about roadways, drainage system of town planning of India. So students, I have already told you this is very important question for 2 marks students. I insist you to write down to all, not only roads and not only drainage system. I told you just write it down all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These all are very important for 2 mark students. Okay, so page number 18, Mohenjo-daro it is given. You have to write down the introduction, Mohenjo-daro name, hip hop dates. Okay, then you write down roads, drainage system, and remaining construction of town, drainage system, public bath, public building. Student, this is very important. Do not leave it and learn it. Give information about the caves of Gujarat. Students, I have taught you this. This answer lies on the page number 22. Total 8 caves are given to you, students, that you have to write it down. Okay, caves of Junagadh, Khambalida, Talaja cave, Sana cave, Dang cave, Jinjuri Jar, Khapra Kodia caves of Kutch, cave of Kaliadunga, that you have to write it down. Then give information about the Dholavira. So page number, this is also very important for 2 mark students. Page number 19, last paragraph. This whole paragraph you have to write it down. Some irrelevant point you can remove. This will ask for 2 marks. Lothal is an important port of Gujarat. Explain. This is the most important question from this chapter, students. Lies on the page number 20. That's fourth one, Lothal. Full paragraph, students, you have to write it down. Frequently asked in the board. Write about the pillar instruction, pillar inscription, students. So this answer lies on the page number 21. In that the first paragraph, the pillar inscription, this will ask for 2 marks. Students, you have to write it down. Okay, now write about Sun Temple of Konark. Here in this chapter, Sun Temple of Konark, that is written very small. Okay, only 2 lines given to you. Page number 25 on the first line. So I insist you in the chapter number 6. Okay, Sun Temple of Konark is given. This will ask for 3 marks, students. So I insist you to write down from chapter number 6, students. Okay, then next, what is sculpture? Only define, that you have to write it down. That sculpture, that is given clearly, definition given to you on page number 18. See second paragraph. Sculpture, the art of shaping figures or design with spatial expression in round and in relief, professionally performed by sculpture with the help of chisel hammer, is known as sculpture. Then second, architecture. Below that it is given to you. That what do you mean by architecture? That you have to write. Simple meaning of architecture means art of construction. The word vastu is used for the architecture in the Sanskrit languages. It is very much renowned. Okay, and then you have to write down what do you mean by architecture? Constructing building, houses, towns, wells, forts, minarets. Okay, explain the meaning of Mohenjo-daro. Write about its roadways. This is also very important for 2 marks. You have to write down the meaning. You have to write down the archaeologist's name. You have to write down the name who have helped them to find out Mohenjo-daro name, that is heap of dates. You have to write down roads. Write the meaning of stupa. Stupa, that you have to write down. This answer that lies here. Page number 20. See in Mauryan art, below the Lothal, first line, oval shaped construction under which the remains of Lord Buddha's bodies are kept in a box is known as stupa. Clear? Okay, students. Now students, choose the correct option from those given below. First, what is another word used for architecture in Sanskrit language? Answer is Vastu, A. Second, what was built in Lothal to facilitate the ships? Answer is C. Dockyard. Third one, in which language are stone inscription engraved? Answer is B. Brahmi. Fourth one, Sun Temple of Gujarat is situated at answer is A. Modhera. Fifth one, which mosque is situated near Teen Darwaja in Ahmedabad? Answer is Jama Masjid. Student, with this we have completed chapter number 3. As soon as the chapter finished, you should develop the habit of writing this chapter in your fair book. Only students, you have to write it down, textual question answer. But students, you know, in the board they will ask somewhere else in the textbook, so it is necessary to go through the entire textbook, students. Okay, so all the best for your unit test and for your upcoming board examination. Okay, students, prepare well, learn well, all the best.